Hi everyone, this is my YouTube channel, Nitin 666, and this is one of the video which I am gonna post here is like how to solve a Rubik's cube. So basically, what you can see is this is the Rubik's cube. So I will just show you how to solve it first, then we'll go deep about it. So basically, I'm just twisting it as you can see. Okay. So this is the Rubik's cube which I'm gonna solve now. So okay, fine. Not that much like fast in it, but it's okay. Like I can do some things. Okay. So you guys will not be able to catch. I will tell you in deep, like later on. In my next video, I'll be telling you about how to solve these things. Basically, it is like not that much stuff. It's simple, but it requires a bit of practice. So see, my first side is fixed. So I'm going for the next. Okay, I need this one also to be fixed. Okay, my second area is fixed. Only last corner is pending. So I'm doing that. So my last corner will be ready in some time. Please wait. Okay, like this. Rubik's cube is solved. So this is how simple it is. I will talk to you about how to solve it in the next coming videos. Thank you for watching.